We're diving straight into Ethereum and we're looking at the daily chart. We can all see that the market is right now in a uptrend. We saw the market created a higher high. The market is just going sideways right now. The market is just in a sideways market. You can clearly see that. And right now we're waiting for the market to decide what direction it will go to. Inside the sideways market, we have Fibonacci levels. We've been talking about this. So this is a recap of what we spoke on today's live stream. So a pullback to potentially the Fibonacci level to 1,250 can appear, and then see the market have the next bounce to the upside. This is what I expect the market to do. Remember, everything is probabilities. You don't have to agree with me. You don't have to anything. I am following price action, and this is why I do believe this can happen. If the market is breaking below 1,250, we're also looking at the previous Fibonacci at 1,210 for the potential reverse too. Remember, because we are still in a sideways market, the support is around 1,200 1,230, and this could be where the market is continuing to give us the sideways market, because everyone can see we're just bouncing in between the support and resistance zones. The Fibonacci levels is in the middle of the range, but this is only because we just might see the market have the big push soon. But if the market continue to go sideways, it can definitely happen. This is only probabilities. But for us, if the market is breaking above the resistance, we all know breakout retest for the resistance is to the upside. The support is a break and retest, and at that point we're continuing even more to lower targets. We can just extend these levels, and you can see clearly how the market is just in a sideways market right here. If we have another bigger drop, which can definitely happen, and we're breaking below 1,210, well, the next level that we're looking at is around 1,160, and if that is the case, well, then most likely we will see the market continue to lower targets, and we will not even reach the Fibonacci levels that I do expect the market to pull back up to, because yes, we know that the market can do whatever. We're just using the price action for potential scenarios, but of course the market will always show us what it's doing. And this was something that I spoke about on today's live stream that I did have, was that we could definitely have a breakup from this level, and we had it, but this is the fake out. We see the market tried to break the level with a huge volatility, and then the next candlestick broke below. We did retest the Fibonacci, the trend line from above, but this is such a big candlestick, and if you break down everything to the lower time frames, when the market looks like this, the market never reverses to the upside, most likely never reversing to the upside. And this is clearly a fake out level that we're looking at right now, and we just might see the market also retest the support one at the trend line once again for the next drop. But this is on the lower time frames. Things is happening right now on the 4-hourly chart. We're still just in the sideways market. It hasn't moved away from the sideways market, and that's what we want the market to do. We want the market to break above this previous resistance at 1,278 for the retest, and that is another confirmation that a higher target is a near sight. And so yeah, this is just, market is just continuing to go sideways right now. So I'm still waiting for the market to, I'm waiting for Monday to kick off and see how DXY is looking. And usually on Mondays it's called Trap Monday for a reason, and that's why I'm waiting for the market to move a little bit. And most of the time in the beginning of the week, the market just need to correct itself after whatever the market has done during the weekend. And for example, DXY has been closed, the dollar has been closed, but there's still things happening behind the scenes. The market needs to correct itself towards that when the market starts again. And that is of course also affecting BTC, because it goes against the dollar. So even if the cryptocurrencies is open during the weekends, that doesn't, you see how slow the market is and how the market kicks off when everything else kicks off too. So it's affecting the market, and that's why I'm waiting for Monday to start. When it comes to DXY, we can see that the market is right now inside a Fibonacci, or slightly below the 50% at 104.967, and this is a Fibonacci level where we can see the market continue to drop from. So this is also one of the reasons why I do believe that BTC and all of the other pairs will have a push to the upside, is because when we're combining that with DXY, the market is in a clear downtrend at the moment. For DXY to correct itself overall, I do believe that we can reach 102.200. That is one scenario that can happen. We can also drop down to the previous support that we have around 104.135. If we go back in time, you can also see that this level is a previous level where the market also have been bouncing in between. So this is a strong zone for the market to drop down to, because this is a previous support and resistance zone. So most likely, of course, the first level that we're looking at is down to the previous support that we did have again. So let us see what's going to happen. If we're just taking away everything on the charts now, because it's a lot of things right here, you can clearly see how the market also gave us the head and shoulder formation against another Fibonacci level where the market had the big reverse. So this is where the market is giving us the head and shoulder formation, and with that you can also see that we have the support. So this is the neckline that we're looking at DXY. So most likely we just might see the market fake us out or something, but I do believe that from here we'll see the market continue to drop. And of course, with that, BTC and Ethereum and all of the other pairs will continue to the upside, just the way I explained to you. Another great video that I want you guys to look at is the one with Andy when he interviewed the CEO from BYBIT. This is a great interview that I would recommend everyone to look at, because he's giving you so much clarity on what's going on with BYBIT, and he seems like a very cool guy. So, and Andy, he's very good at interviewing him, and he's asking some really good questions that I know a lot of people have in their mind. So I will add this video at the end of my video, so please check this out, and please leave a comment too, because it's actually giving you a lot of good information on what's happening at the moment. And speaking of BYBIT, you can right now receive a bonus up to $30,030 by using the link in the description down below the video. You also have it pinned in the corner. This is my best platform that I'm trading on when it comes to cryptocurrencies. You have very low fees, and you have zero fees when it comes to spot pairs. It's a leverage trading platform, so make sure you understand how that works with you. If you are from America, you need a VPN, and this is also how you're supporting the channel. Thank you everyone for looking at this video together with me. I do hope that you did enjoy it. Let's kick off next week with some live scalping tomorrow. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you should definitely do that. Hit the notification so you know when I am live next time, and when I do have my daily updates. I love each and every one of you. Have a great day and have a great start of the week. Mwah! Toodles!